The Hoya Gracilis, also known as Hoya MEMORIA, is relatively new to the market and uncommon to find. It was published in the International Plant Names Index in 2004, named after the Memorial Garden in Manila, Philippines. The genus was named in modern Latin in honor of English gardener and botanist Thomas Hoya. It looks best in a hanging basket as it does not twine as readily on its own compared to other vining Hoyas. Hoya Gracilis is narrow, dark green, leaves with a varying silver spots that can get a bit over 2 inches long. Blooms smell of caramel and are borne on umbels of 15 to 25 small flowers with dark to medium pink corollas and red coronas with a yellow center. Hoyas are considerably hardy and tolerant of a wide range of growing conditions, but for the best growth, it is recommended to provide higher levels of humidity. Hoya Gracilis plants need plenty of indirect sunlight to thrive. Plant them in a well-lit location, but beware, too much light will burn their leaves and cause them to turn yellow. As with many tropical plants, one of the most crucial factors contributing to Hoya Gracilis growth is adequate water. For best results, only water your plant when the soil feels dry. Good companion plants for Hoya Gracilis are fern, kalanchoe, and orchids. Don't forget to remove old and unhealthy looking branches and leaves from your Hoya Gracilis. Do not remove the pedicels, the flower stalks, after your Hoya has finished flowering. Hoya are able to rebloom again and again from the same pedicle.